Good morning, everybody. We are here. Dude, it's cold outside today. It's 37 degrees. It's snowing, and it's 37 degrees. So that tells you what kind of day it is so far today. We get Dark Bro, Firasty, Ferasty in the chat, baby. We got Bree Guy, Dark Bro, Pudgy, Dark Bro, Pudgy, Dark Bro, Bree Guy, Ray De Silva. We got Dark Bro, Bree Guy, Dark Bro, Cedarwit, Pudgy, Dark Bro, Pudgy, Dark Bro, Cedarwit, Dark Bro, Pudgy, Dark Bro, King Noodle Toes, Dark Bro, Kenneth, Dark Bro, Bender, Dark Bro, DD214, Dark Bro, Bender, Dark Bro, King Noodle Toes, Dark Bro, King Noodle Toes, Dark Bro, Pudgy, Dark Bro, Giovanni. Good morning to all of you guys. Let's check the market out so far. See what we got going on today. We have got, whoa! That's not the market, but hey, make sure to check out Amazon if you guys want to check out something nice. We have, hold on now. There's the market. Wow, dude, look at, is it touching, I didn't see it. Is it touching 43? I didn't see it. Oh my gosh, I'm only looking at the chat. Did it touch 43? Oh my goodness. Tell me, I don't want to look at it. I'm covering it up. Tell me if it hit 43. AMC sitting in the top left. What is that? 704. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 940 points per coin. GameStop sitting at 1550 right now. Is it 43? Is it 43? No, it's not 43 yet. Oh my gosh. Bitcoin sitting at $42,822 per coin right now. Did somebody order a bull market? Because, dude, we are going to be touching fresh all-time highs in Bitcoin here very soon if this action continues on. Look at this massive rally, not even deciding to just pull back towards this mean. We are, dude, you can't see these levels on, it's all-time highs on an annual chart here. Let's check out this weekly chart. Dude, if it makes it through this little blip in the 40s, it ripped up here in like 2 weeks. I am telling you, this might be it, man, leading into the halving. I don't know, man. I hope the SEC doesn't come in and throw a dang wrench in our parade. Bitcoin is looking solid. The Nasdaq up to 14,212 points, 0.19% higher on the day. AMC 704, GameStop 1550, down 8.7%. Dogecoin sitting at 9.15 cents. Ethereum 2243. Shiba Inu coin 943 points per coin. Bitcoin sitting it's gonna touch 43. All right, let's go through the rest real quick, and then we're going to watch Bitcoin touch 43. SPY, 456. QQQ, 386. Mullen Auto, 18.5 cents. Sundial, $1.45. Netflix, 451. Highcraft Mining, 203. Highcraft getting hit hard. MPW, 508. Tesla, 243. Amazon, 146. And Apple, wow, Apple up 2% today, $193. Coming back down to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's about to tap that 43 mark. Oh, my goodness, it is looking good. Would have had about 10,000 if it not been for that crap coin X Shib that I invested in and lost $2,000. Death to rugs. Yes, death to rugs, man. Honorarium is where it's at. Good morning, Giovanni. Glad to have you, man. We shooting for the stars, my bros. Dark Abacus, and let's shoot for the stars. Let's shoot for the moon. Land among the stars. Oh, here it is. Here, look, watch it. It's going to touch 43. Here's the run. Oh, my goodness. 42.8. Come on, 989, man. Hit a little gain, would you? Hit a little gain. Pudgy getting the ignore, as always. Pudgy never getting ignored. Honorarium to the moon. Make it happen. I'm going to be able to pay my bills sometime soon. Good, Dark Abacus. I want all of you guys to be able to pay your bills. I see what you did there, Clay, by pulling up your merch. Nope. Total accident there, King Noodle Toes. Total accident there. No, really. When I leave that is the last thing that was on Chrome. It's usually the first thing that pulls up. I forget it's there, but I like it when it's there. It's a nice little plug. Sup, bro, Clay, bro. Love from Nepal. Momo Life. Love from Ohio, man. Welcome all the way from Nepal. Glad to have you in here right now. I think it's awesome that people from all around the world watch this channel, man. How is Rebecca? Who is Rebecca? I'll do you one better. What? Dude, there's no way. Hold on. All right. That was just out of place. I was like, there's no way, dude, that hair is going unicorn on me again. That is wild. Dark Bro gonna be taking me seriously soon. Dark Bro should be taking Dark Abacus seriously here. So we got too many darks in the chat right now. It's getting dark out there. Still, personally, don't understand where all the positivity is coming from in this market. There's nothing getting better in the world. In fact, it is getting worse. Dark Bro, it's an excellent observation. Let me say that bull markets typically don't make sense. Right? The level of confidence that begins to flow into the crypto space, the stock market space, all of that, it doesn't make sense. And usually that does lead to a pullback. Okay? I want to make that very clear. I don't think that we are in an actual bull market that is justifiable. If we were, we would be seeing interest rates low, inflation rates low. We would be seeing company earnings growing. People's earnings growing. We're not seeing that right now. We're seeing people stretched for every dollar they have because inflation is so high. We're seeing people unable to borrow because interest rates are 8 to 10%. We are seeing a situation that is not conducive to a bull market, yet we've got massive confidence. Typically, that's the greed factor setting in. Typically, that is some sort of an unsustainable rally, and you will see a pullback. A bubble is what they like to call it in the financial space. I don't necessarily like using the term bubble, but bubbles pop, okay, because they're not sustainable. If these gains aren't sustainable, we'll be seeing another little pullback before the actual rally takes place. Oh, holy smokes. All right, this candle is going to hit 43. We're watching it now. It's going 937, 937, 934, 924, 927, 925, 912. All right, maybe not this candle. I'm going to have to wait for another candle. Burrito! What's going on? J-Bones, baby. I love from Chicago. Yes, I did move back to Chicago from Miami. Now, let me ask you, Noodle Toes. Chicago from Miami is kind of crazy. Both of them very large cities. Both of them you don't want to go out alone at night. Seemingly dangerous, as is any big city. But dude, Chicago compared to Miami, major difference in weather. What's your perception on those? If you were from Chicago, I guess you might be used to it. But having lived in Miami, man, I don't know what it is there. It's 37 degrees and cloudy right now. There's no way it's 37 degrees and cloudy in Miami. So what's your overall sentiment of Chicago versus Miami, man? Because I would imagine, and this might just be me, I would imagine Miami would be better than Chicago. But I clearly could be wrong, and don't let your bias of maybe Chicago is home for you kind of ruin it. But what's your overall impression of the two? Because, dude, if you see nothing but what they play on the news, man, you're going to think Chicago's wild. You're not going to want to go to Chicago if you only pay attention to what's on the news. So, yeah, what's your impression of both those cities there? Clay, I got a call out on Matthew Perry YouTube channel this morning over being one of the YouTubers that get blocked by the Shib network. Boom, boom, pow! Dude, you know what? I have nothing but respect for Matthew Perry, man. This dude, I remember, it was, geez, dude, I don't know. It was one of the first couple of weeks that I was going live talking about AMC every day. And Matthew Perry, dude's got over 100,000 subscribers on his YouTube channel. And that dude jumps into my live stream. I don't even know if I had 10,000 subscribers at the point. But Matthew Perry, man, jumps into my live stream. Nothing but positivity. Nothing but showing support for other people that were making content on AMC at the time and stuff like that. For some reason, right, I really like that dude. And it seems to be his character. It's not all about just hyping people up and all of that stuff, but it's literally about supporting people. And that's what the bros do, man. That's what the bros do. So if Matt Perry gave me a shout out, awesome, man. And a huge shout out to Matt Perry as well. I think that kid is absolutely awesome. And shoot, dude. You know what? We're both, let's put it this way. Me and Matt Perry, we're both going to hit 1 million at the same time. We'll have our count. I know he's got me by about 100K right now in terms of subscribers. We're both going to hit 1 million at the same time. Nothing but success for that dude. And appreciate any shout out. Especially come from him, man. I like that guy. Bro, if I didn't get in my house 2 years ago, I'd have been screwed, right? A lot of people would have, Dark Bro. Interest rates are nuts. Here it is, here it is, here it is. This candle, this candle, this candle. We got 42,979, 79, 79, 69, 964, 963, 963, 960, 960. Come on, Bitcoin, give us a green candle here. 969, 969, 963, 963, 962, 959, 959, 950. Come on, tick up, man. I want to count to 43,000. I think Shib will drop a 0 for a 20 million, then fall back to 870, but a stable price. That's my uneducated guess. Sounds like an educated guess to me, Dark Abacus, because it doesn't sound too off. Matthew Perry used to make negative Shib videos daily, twice a day. So yeah, that's that. Still like the guy, man. Still like the guy. I will say this. I know that the old Shib defense team or whatever did a lot of guys dirty, right? They did a lot of guys dirty. And those dudes, all they want to do is block people instead of have a debate or instead of answer questions or instead of show a little transparency. I'm telling you, man, that is one of the things that gets under my skin, right? I don't know if you guys have ever taken those personality tests, but I welcome opposition, okay? I don't like it necessarily, but I welcome opposition because my personality is a debater, okay? So I will gladly bring up different viewpoints. I will gladly tell you why you're wrong or why you're right, and I'm okay with that. I can embrace that. I can embrace the different viewpoints. And it doesn't mean that you're right or whatever, and everybody's different opinion is correct. You are definitely wrong, and I am definitely right in certain situations. And you might think that I'm wrong, and you're probably wrong in that situation too. But anyway, that's not the same for the ecosystem team. When I ask them a question about Burns, block. When I ask them about a question about why they did something this way, block. And I'm not even saying you guys are doing it wrong. You guys are doing it. It's literal questioning. Could you imagine, dude, if you're going to school, ask your teacher a question and she tells you to go to the principal's office because you're an idiot? Yeah, that's the equivalent of what the ecosystem and I missed it on my rant to 43,000. Ripping right through 43. $43,154. 85, 200, 200 on Bitcoin right now. Oh my goodness. Guys, listen, if you don't play Bitcoin on leverage right now, if you're trying to play a decent amount of leverage, dude, you are going to get busted quickly if you don't pull the right direction here. So watch out for Bitcoin. $43,220 per coin right now. Bull. Say it with me. Bull market, baby. 43.3. 43. It's going to touch 43.4. We're going 45, man. We're going 45 on Bitcoin. I think we're going 45,000 on Bitcoin. It's not even going to stop right now. Oh my gosh. Don't spell check my Spanglish, bro, migo. Would never do such a thing, man. Gala, my bros. Bender. You in Gala? I'm not in Gala. Hence the reason I did that, Pudgy. Dark, bro. This honorarium to be listed on CoinGecko. Let us know. I am, Malcolm. I am a master debater. I might not have the skills of a Ben Shapiro, but I am a master debater. No question about it. This dude, man. What are you in, like, 3rd grade? Oh, my gosh. Malcolm, he already knows what it is, man. Hello, Lunk chart, please. Ace, can we watch Bitcoin for just 2 seconds? I'm way too excited about Bitcoin right now. We'll pull up Terra Luna Classic in a minute. I just want to watch Bitcoin until it starts to either level off or throw some purple candles on there. I want to see where this rally takes us. Terra Luna Classic is... No, I don't have it up on this chart. Let me see. Terra Luna Classic is... Dude, don't tell me Celestia. Yeah, dude, Celestia ripping up nicely today. $9.16 on Celestia. Nothing but stinking strength, man. Terra Luna Classic right now is sitting at 22,000 points per coin. I'll pull up and go through some other stuff as soon as Bitcoin calms down a little bit. But, dude, oh my gosh. What if Bitcoin just rips up right now to like $60,000? There's no purple lines in sight, man. I was born and raised in Chicago. Miami's better in weather, but it's expensive. I actually live in the northwest suburb of Illinois, which is pretty safe. That's good, dude. My ultimate goal is to move to Texas and settle down with my wife. But King Noodle Toes, I love it, man. I love it. You know, I've never been to Texas, right? I've heard some mixed opinions on Texas, but I don't know anybody that's been to Texas in a very long time. So their opinions are what is it, moot at this point, and they don't really count because that was a long time ago. But yeah, dude, Texas does seem to be a very nice place at the moment, and I've looked at real estate in Texas before, just, you know, having some fun on Zillow. Dude, you can get some very nice houses reasonably priced in Texas. Now, I don't know if that's because the vast majority of the land is like barren because Texas is so huge and everybody kind of like what's the word? What's the word for gets together around big cities? But yeah, dude, Texas seems to be awesome. So that's very cool. Resistance at 48K, I think. Malcolm, let's check it out. We got a little resistance here at 43,000. We're getting rejected off of it. I'm telling you right now, man, if you guys are playing up and down options on crypto.com, you would have got wiped here very, very quick in 2 minutes. That's why I'm just cautioning you guys about the volatility in Bitcoin right now, because this is a big move. 43,350 to 43,000 flat in 2 minutes. Less than 2 minutes, honestly. No, 2 minutes here. We got a third candle. In 2 minutes, it's a very, very fast move. And it could be right back up to 43.4 in a minute. So just watch out for it. 48,000. Let's see. We got to go back to 2022 to really see where we're looking. But yeah, so I'll agree, man. I'll agree. We're testing 43,000 right now. Forget all of these little levels. Let's bring this bad boy up to, well, we might have busted through this little area. You know what, man? I would say this is where we're getting caught. Like on this little candle right here. I'll zoom in. This little candle right here. This little candle right here. This little area right in here. This is kind of where we're getting caught right now. But, dude, in full honesty, this is probably the real resistance. 45, 45, 45, 45. Then tiny little support right here at 45, 45 before it finally broke down. So, yeah, man, I would say 45 is 45, 45, 45, 45, 45. I would say 45 is the next level I'm watching out for. But yeah, if you're being a little bit more aggressive, you've got the upper end of these wicks right here at 48,000. And then, of course, you know, you got to go all the way back to 2021, dude, before we're touching 48,000 again. So, smokes, man. Let me just make you guys aware of something right now, okay? With Bitcoin ripping like this, altcoins are doing well, but they're not ripping like this. So, I want you to know that Bitcoin absolutely could come back down. But if Bitcoin continues to move higher, and if Bitcoin begins to hit all-time highs, and people begin to think Bitcoin is a little bit too expensive, that's when they're going to take their gains in Bitcoin and Ethereum, those two major coins, and they're going to be moving them over into altcoins. And that's going to lead to altcoin season. That's when you're going to see 5, 10, 20x gains in these smaller coins, because people are getting a little cautious around Bitcoin, and they're beginning to move their gains, and they're beginning to say, all right, well, dude, Bitcoin's doing nothing but ripping. Let's get into something's going to be at 50,000 or back down to 15,000 tomorrow. But what we do know is if the confidence continues on, it will trickle down into the altcoins. Do not give up and do not kind of turn your back on some of these smaller coins, because especially if they're, you know, 50 million, 100 million, $200 million market cap coins, it doesn't take much compared to what it takes for Bitcoin to really move. So, yeah, dude, that's why I'm so excited about Bitcoin's price action right now, is because I know what it could lead to. I want to buy Lunk right now. Is that good? I don't know about crypto. Coolish Ishan. Let's take a look at it since Bitcoin's ready to pop. Clay, finally learned it is all about Bitcoin. All the other coins are secondary. Listen, Bitcoin is like the sun, man. Bitcoin's not going to provide you with... Dude, this is... I thought I cut the... Where did this hair come from? I thought I cut this off the other day. Did I not cut that off the other day? Bitcoin's like the sun, dude. It's got that gravitational force that all of the other coins, all of the other planets, they follow. They follow Bitcoin. But let's take a look at Terra Luna Classic real quick. Is it a good time to buy? 2,000 or 20,000 points per coin, yes, could be a very good time to buy. It is support. We'll pull out a daily chart and show why it's support here. Right after I say, Dark Bro! Thank you very much for the super chat. Dark Bro says, here's some authorized hydration, Clay Bro. If you want gains, check out Honorarium. The future is bright, bro. Very nice, Dark Bro. Thank you very much. Oh, yeah. Definitely needed that authorized hydration there. We'll look at Honorarium in 2 seconds right after we check out Terra Luna Classic right here. Pull it out to, let's look at a month chart, okay? We ripped on up through. We had a little tiny blip in this 20,000 point per coin area. That's not where the real support comes from. You got to look at this annual chart here. And you got to look at an all-time chart, actually. We're going to have to zoom in. Ah, come on. Can I zoom out? It's not letting me zoom out on the annual, and I'm not really going to be able to... All right. This encompasses the rip up at the end of 2022. This level in here, support on the way down, and then resistance on the way up, yes, could be a decent buy-in opportunity if you believe it's going to hold. With as fast as Terra Luna Classic is moving right now, it might be just like this. You might be able to get in. You might be able to see some nice gains. But typically coins do not sustain just drastic increases in price for very long. So if you do get in around this area, please know the Terra Luna Classic is extremely volatile, and it could lead to some decent gains. But we've seen this volatility before. A massive increase, and then, of course, a very, very quick decrease in price. So watch out for it. But dude, $737 million in daily volume. And guys, check this out. I didn't even know they had this. They got a counter until the Bitcoin halving. 136 days until the Bitcoin halving takes place there. Real quick, let's check out Honoraria. Man, I haven't been able to exit a USTC trade for 2 days now. I am literally stuck in a trade. Well, that's not good, man. I have to learn how to play options. Any good YouTube tutorial videos to watch for that? Let me caution you, King Noodle Toast. Let me caution you. Playing options can be extremely lucrative. You can also lose 99% of your trade very quickly. What I would recommend you do, okay? Paper trade it first. Open up a paper trading account on Webull and paper trade your options first. Get into a 100% dedicated and disciplined plan. Make money, lose money, and then just like wait for the next day to take place, okay? Tutorials on how to do so. I do have a few shorts that you can look through, but Webull actually does a very good job of explaining different option styles and strategies. But yeah, dude, the best thing that I can kind of point out is stay disciplined. Because if you start to go in, it only takes one trade, man. It's going to take one trade to wipe your entire thing out if you're getting greedy. So just be very careful with options trading. As I told you on Twitter, I'll support you as an influencer, bro. Keep doing the hard work. Weird Wolf Gaming, man. Absolutely appreciate you, and thank you very much. Not only for the kind words, man, but literally the support. See, with XRP being stuck between 60 and 62 cents, with everything going on with XRP, I'm surprised that people are not buying. Giovanni, I think that everybody's kind of floating towards Bitcoin right now, man. I think that it's just taking the show. Joe, I'm sitting here wondering the same thing, and nothing happened with XRP. My Lunk bot sold for a loss at 10%, and that's all right, Bree guy. That's all right. You know, Terra Luna Classic is down pretty heavy today from 30,000 to almost 23,000. So my Binance bot, I cleared out my gains, waited 2 minutes, and went back in. I'm already up 19 cents. So I waited another 2 minutes and made another 28 cents. Then I waited another 2 minutes, 17 cents. Doge, baby, Doge. Very nice, Kenneth. Lewis says XRP is also another one I'm worried about right now. What are you worried about, Lewis? We'll take a look at it. Annie is moving up, showing 40% short Bitcoin, small cap, name small cap. Please look at it. Annie. Stock. You're talking about a stock. All right. I don't swap coins often. If I like a new coin, I just start buying and accumulating instead of swapping. And that sort of dedicated strategy is probably going to work out better for you. Roulette wheel. It really will. Good morning to you, Nick F. Glad to have you in here, man. Nick F with an 11-month member chat. Text me back after the live. Dude, this dude didn't text me, did he? Sure enough. No, well, let's see what he said here. I'll just text this dude back. Get him right now. Oh yeah, Nick F, dude. They're just stupidly slow. It might take 2 weeks. Dead serious. It might take like 2 weeks, man. They're stupidly slow with that. So yeah, it might take like 2 weeks, man. Just get hit with Brad Gerlinghouse selling me XRP ad. Hates AI, or his AI mouth looks so fake. Skip the second ad after 6 seconds. Suzuki, man, appreciate you. Random scam ad. You guys are all getting the same one. Suzuki and Bree guy. That's hilarious, man. Let's see. XRP ad, very nice for Kenneth there. I think you guys all got hit with an ad at the same time. Only a Bitcoin with some Doge. Hey, sailing with twins, man. I like it. Giovanni, 14 months of bro. Dude, Clay, you were still the best. Giovanni, man, second best. You're the best, dude. You're the best. Giovanni, man, appreciate you being in here. Thanks. Have a good day. Hey, Nick F, you have a great day. You know what, Nick F? Have the best day ever. Thanks, man. Thanks for jumping in, and thanks for wishing me a great day, but you have the best day ever, my friend. Aurora, still showing decent climb. Very nice. Robert, Bitcoin just hit 43,100. Boom, boom, boom. Bitcoin just hit 43,475, man. Bitcoin is ripping. Take a look at this. 43,500 right here. No stopping in sight. Oh, my gosh. Woo! Look at that jump. $200 in a minute there. Like a second. That was a $200 tick. We go 44? We're going 44 right here. We're going 45 this live stream, man. $44,000 Bitcoin right here. Ladies and gentlemen, look at this run. $43,978 top right there. Coming back down a little bit off of $44,000 Bitcoin. Dude, be careful with the volatility. I cannot believe what is happening, man. Holy smokes. Wow. So everybody's Bitcoin prediction by the end of the year. Shoot, dude. 90,000 at this current pace? What the heck? I mean, that's a $300 candle right there. And the candle's not well, the candle's over now. I was going to say it's not even over. Ripping back up, man. Oh, my gosh. Wild price action in Bitcoin. Oh my goodness, man. Pika probably working. Pika probably is working, man. We need more Pika in our lives. I'm glad I'm not the only one getting that Ripple scam ad. We get blocked for speaking our mind, but yet scam ads like this get broadcast all the time. Yeah, Bree guy. Isn't that funny, man? I could sit here and say that I don't like a certain somebody, or I do like a certain somebody, and boom, dude, I get demonetized and sent down the hall. They can come on here and rip you guys for money all day long, and they get promoted even further. It's wild, dude. You forgot something. No, Igno. What did I forget, man? Hey, what did I forget? Somebody let me know what I forgot, man. What did I forget? I don't even know. Pudgy Dark Bro. What do you mean I Pudgy Dark Bro? Pika probably working? Congrats, Giovanni. Dang, Dark Bro Fun got pudgied. Oh, pulling up, yeah. Now. Yeah. No, now I remember that. I was like going back up. I was like, what the heck did I miss out on? I did forget to bring up Honorarium. Thank you guys very much for reminding me. Where's it at here? Honorarium. You guys can't see it, right? Okay. Honorarium currently sitting, where we at? Down a little bit on the day. If you guys are looking for a little bit of a dip buying opportunity, it is down 3.27% today. Bad boy is still sitting at a $9,000 market cap, $3,100 in liquidity, 58 holders, and dude's averaging like $400+ a day in volume here. So Honorarium still looking pretty solid after that major gain there, holding steady at about 60 different holders. Let's see if we can get this to pull up here. Oh, you know what? I already got it pulled up. Just got to refresh it. Please tell me my internet's working. You guys can still see me, right? Can you guys still see me? I don't know what the heck's going on with my internet. All right, I don't know if... Okay, here we go. Total of 58 holders. The data on Dex Tools is correct here. Who are the holders? Nobody knows. Claybro's internet is slows, man. Oh my gosh. All right, here we are. This bad boy, I don't know who this guy is here. Probably Michael Allen getting ready to sabotage Dark Bro's growth. Sitting at a 30% holding of all of the Honorarium. Pancake Swap still sitting on 17%. This wallet right here is sitting on 7%. This wallet here. You guys got a lot of very heavy hitters and some very high holders here. 58 in total. And Honorarium still looking pretty solid, actually, in terms of technicals. This is the support level in this area right here. It might wick back down a little bit, but this is the area at about 800 or 80 or 8 points per coin, whatever we're calling it right now. Does seem to be a decent level of technical support for anybody out there trading Honorarium. Bots, man. Bots still hitting pretty hard. This bot's making like $3, $4, $5 every time somebody comes in with a trade. So bots still hitting heavy on Honorarium, but Honorarium looking very good and still very new. So Dark Bro, man, congratulations that Honorarium has, one, not rugged, but two, maintaining these elevated levels, man. That's exactly what you want to see in any coin. Just be fair warned, Dex Tools is being incredibly slow as well. Everything seems to be incredibly slow right now, man. Vera finally going up as well, 1,000 coins in hopes it continues. Robert, man, congratulations on 1,000 Vera. Bitcoin's breaking the internet. Bitcoin is breaking the internet right now. Bitcoin's going crazy, man. $44,000 Bitcoin. People got to be excited. People got to be talking about it. Suzuki! Thank you very much for the super chat. Suzuki says, let's pump Honorarium and sing, gotta pump it. Well, gotta pump it up. We gotta pump it up. What is, I don't even know what song that is, man. Gotta pump it up. We gotta pump it up. Gotta pump it up. We gotta pump it up. Gotta pump it up. We gotta pump it up. Is that the song, man? Or is that like, did I just make that up? Or is that the actual song you were looking for? Suzuki, man, thank you very much for the Streamlabs super chat going directly through Streamlabs right there. Shiba Inu coin throwing a bit of a purple line on the screen, guys. We got to keep our eyes on that right there. It might be curling back over a little bit with Bitcoin right now. What do we notice, though? We've got some very steep trend lines forming on Bitcoin's price chart right now, and they may be bracing for a pullback right here. So keep your eyes on Bitcoin's just amazing daily price action, and these are some levels that you're going to want to watch out for in terms of ascending trend lines on a daily basis. This first one may be getting broken through. It might come back down to test, I don't know, 43,004, another $100 dip. And if that one gets broken, we might be on our way back down to 42s, okay? So please be aware that Bitcoin is extremely volatile today. But man, dude, 4 or 5% gains are looking very good. Brandy S, if you are in here, thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. If you're on a video, still, thank you very much. You're just not going to hear me say thank you. My AODX coin went from 0.16 to 0.54 within 45 days and back down to 4 cents currently. And not bad at all. Roulette wheel. Let's take a look at AODX. And I also want to take a look at Vera really quick. I know a lot of people have been talking about Vera. And a few people. Now, you know what? Let me gauge. We get 63 people in here right now. I want to know what you guys think about it. And I don't know what they mean by it. But I may email the guys from Vera. They put out, and I've been tagged in a few posts on X over the last 24 hours, and they're looking for ambassadors. They're looking for influencers, right? Is there anybody in here that is interested in Vera? Anybody in here besides crap? Who said that they own it? Robert. Anybody besides Robert in here interested in Vera? I don't know if they're looking for Twitter posts. I don't know if they're looking for YouTube videos or what, but they're looking to pay some ambassadors to talk about Vera. Some of you guys are interested in, yes or no, let me know. What the crap was that? Oh yeah, that's what I was doing. Vera, we're talking about it in AODX. AODX is currently sitting at 4 cents per coin. Yes, a 4% daily gain right now. Not bad at all, man. Sitting on a $378 million market cap with $215 million in 24-hour volume. After ripping up to about 4.7 cents on the day, pulling back a little bit from that 4.7 cent mark, still not bad at all, man. Beautiful 59% weekly gain. Amazing 60% monthly gain. And it's still sitting on a nice yearly gain, but this is what you're interested in AODX. The fast explosions that just rip it up through resistance. So I don't know if it's going to jump to 10 cents. I don't know if it's going to get caught up in the area that it did at about 5 cents here, that 4.7 cents that it was touching. Or if we end up breaking both those levels and going back up to 21 cents. So AODX looking very strong as well. Vera, guys. Is this it? Yeah, I think this is it right here. Vera Network is sitting on an 82% daily gain. Wild, man. Almost 14 cents, up 74% right now. $63 million market cap with nearly $10 million in volume, I believe, all coming from Coinbase. Yes, all coming from Coinbase right here. 24-hour volume, $9.78 million. Now, the thing that gets me, this coin has been out for a little while now. It goes back to September, right? And only listed on Coinbase at the moment, and it's been doing phenomenal over the last week, going from about 5 cents to 15 cents. The thing that I'm slightly skeptical about is the circulating supply versus the total supply. It's got a fully diluted market cap of $1.3 billion, but only $63 million in circulation. So if it's anything like Jasmine, what you might end up seeing is continuous dilution. More and more and more and more coins being introduced to the market. And if that's the case, your 13 cents, you might stay at a $60 million market cap, but if they introduce twice the coins, you're going to be back down to 6 cents. If they introduce 4 times the coins, you're going to be back down to 3 cents. If they introduce 10 times the coins, you're going to be back down to a penny. And you know, they're not going to give those coins to you. It'll be introduced to the market. So that's my only hold up with Vera. But I don't know what they plan on doing in terms of that. Shib gonna burn that 0? It's irritating me. Giovanni, I hope it does, man. I don't know if it will or not, but I sure hope it does. All right, guys, take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin coming right back down to this ascending trend line that we have right here. We talked about it touching 43.4. That's exactly where it's at. It may bounce off and continue this trend higher. If it breaks this one, I would be a little cautious, okay? You might be coming all the way back down to 42.4 here if this line gets broken. So please watch those ascending trend lines on Bitcoin. Thoughts on Zen Crypto? Mike, I have none right now, but we can take a look at it if you want. I have 3.8% of honorarium and holding. That's what I like, man. Come on, Lonnie. We're all interested. Not interested in what, man? Now I don't even know. Oh, you're talking, Alani, not interested in VRA. That's what he was talking about there. Everyone pump that like button. Do it, man. Do it. Are you American or Canadian? Brandy, I am American, right? I am from Ohio. So very close to Canada, but I'm from Ohio. Once Bitcoin cools off, we should see alt moves. Yeah, soft tacos. So I agree with that completely, man. And I don't know when Bitcoin is going to cool off. I think that we're going to need to see a little bit of a transition from the Bitcoin confidence and Bitcoin soaring to a move and a push towards altcoins as well. So I agree. I just don't know when the transition is going to take place. Properly cleaned cast iron skillet, about to throw some homemade beef tallow into it. It's hot in, now that it's hot and dry. Very nice, Pudgy. Dude, Pudgy over there working with some cast iron. Heck yeah. Can you check out Mana? Yes, Lewis, we can check out Mana as well. Bitcoin, holy moly, bolts. Yeah, dude, 44,000. Anyone got any ideas, suggestions about Aurora? Pudgy, I use salt to clean mine, brother. Had for 20 years and has cooked hundreds of pounds of venison. There you go, Lonnie. Hello, Clay. What's going on, Jose? J-Bones! Fluffy, send me some food. Yeah, Fluffy, send me some food as well, man. I am kind of hungry today. And Vera is a thumbs down for me. Roulette wheel. Now, what if they're like, hey, Clay bro, we're going to pay you a lot of money to post on X about Vera? Cool if I do it then? you cool if they like, we are going to pay you stupid amounts of money. So much, they're not going to do it, right? But I'll just say it, man. At that point, you got to realize, all right, well, this dude's just making an ad. That's all he's doing. You guys are smart enough to know that by now, though. You guys are smart enough to know that by now. Can you check Mana? Yeah, Luce, let's check Mana. Yes, Clever, can you look at it, please, Mike? Mana? Or are you talking about something else now? I get lost in the chat sometimes, so please help me out. Mana, really quick. Not Genesis Mana, right? We're looking at Decentraland. All right, 4% gain today on Mana at the moment. Mana, Decentraland is another metaverse, guys. So in case you're wondering what it is, it's currently sitting on an $880 million market cap. It blew up. Oh my gosh, did it blow up in 2021 during that bull market. Having gone from 2-3 cents a coin in the previous bear market to $5 per coin. Phenomenal growth, going from a $10-20 million coin to a $9 billion coin. Dude, bull markets are for the bros, man. Bull markets are for the bros. We are currently sitting, however, on that 47-cent level. It is up on the week. It is up on the month. I'm assuming it's up on the year. Slightly. It is slightly up on the year as well. Mana not looking too bad at 46 cents a coin. And of course, it would 10x to get back up to those all-time highs there. Hood, only promote what you truly believe in, brother. Well, listen, I agree with that, right? Lonnie, I have no problem with that. But I differentiate between promoting and like just discussing the facts. I hope that you guys know, like when I'm talking about Shiba Inu coin or if I'm talking about Terra Luna Classic, I'm not necessarily, or even Bitcoin today, getting excited about it, I'm not necessarily promoting that to you. Now, I am promoting the idea of using those Amazon links to burn Shiba Inu coin and Terra Luna Classic with your everyday purchases. I believe that's a no-brainer. It's no additional money for you, no additional money for me, and we get to burn those coins. Like, so that, yeah, that's a promotion. I agree with that all day long. But as far as like me talking about the facts and what's going on with Shib, I'm not promoting Shib to you guys. I don't view it that way. Or when I go over the proposals and the excitement surrounding Terra Luna Classic, I'm still not promoting that to you guys. I'm just talking about it. I'm just talking. People want to hear about it. They want to know about it. And those to me are facts. So I do see a difference in promoting something. I would never just say go buy a coin. Dude, you could pay me $1 million and I wouldn't tell you guys to just go buy a coin. But you could pay me $1 million and I would talk about that coin all day long. You can pay me $5 and I talk about that coin all day long. And you know, like, for example, if Dark Bro says, look at honorarium, he sends a thing over, I have no problem looking at any coin. For real, man. I'll look at any coin you guys want to look at. So there's I do differentiate between promoting and just talking about something. You guys are all adults, man. You're all making your own decisions. And if you're not making your own decisions, stop being a puppet. Start making your own decisions. But yeah, dude, I would never promote something that I didn't believe in. OHIO. I used to live in the 330 Soft Taco. Very nice, man. Dude knows about the OHIO. Have to go, bros. Going home. I had to come into work today on my day off. Geoped, darn it, man. Why are they messing with you like that? Does anyone know whose wallet it is? With 2607, it holds 29%. All right, I thought it was Pancake Swap. Doesn't seem to be Pancake Swap, man. Pancake Swap seems to be holding 17% of honorarium. I don't know whose wallet that is. You're talking about this wallet right here, right? This wallet right here, filtered by holder. Yes. So what do we got here? Analytics. We got anything on this wallet? I do not think so. All they've done, man, all they've done is buy honorarium. Yeah, dude. Seems like all they've done is buy. So, loading up, dude. Loading up from now what is this here? I don't know if these are all of the honorarium tokens right there. I don't think that's Pancake Swap. I think that's just somebody. I don't know who it is, man. They own Honorarium, Injective, and TalkSync. Dude, you got a fan, Turk, bro. You got yourself a fan, man. Yeah, here we go. Back on with that page. Tark Bro's got himself an honorarium, bro. Thought that was Pancake Swap as well. Oh, that's a lot of holdings. Just checking the transactions on Dex Tools, and they are all buys. Is still looking through. They were the 8th purchase at launch. I have 340 XRP. I plan on buying bit by bit. And you know what? Roulette wheel, slowly, steadily stacking up is probably one of the best strategies there are, man. You know, you could go in there and you could leverage a trade and you could have 3,400 XRP. And then all of a sudden it drops 5% and you bust. That is the last thing that you ever want to see. You can hold that 340 XRP for the rest of your life if you want. They're never going to take it from you. That's Clay's wallet. No, that's not my wallet, man. I'd let you know. Are we seeing another Shib burn today? Oh, we should, yeah. K King. We should see another Shib burn today. Now, I'll say this. I have no idea when or why they are going to decide to click that burn button. But we've already accumulated over $50,000 towards the next burn. So they can click it now. I don't know what they're waiting on, but they can click it now. So I want to point out that this is what we're looking at. Yesterday, we burned when there was roughly $75,000 in the wallet. Right now, there's $130,000 in there. We have accumulated an additional $55,000 in Shiba Inu coin to be burned. Look at this. We are burning, accumulating $1.76, $3, $2, $2.50, $1.91 every 5 seconds. We are accumulating massive amounts of money. Now, you guys, if you want to contribute to this, you can go make a transaction on Shibarium. If you also want to contribute to it, there are links in the descriptions of all of my videos. I'm telling you, we can reach levels like this through leveraging Amazon. Anything you guys purchase on Amazon, it does not have to be the Shib merch. Reload that. There's more than, there's 4.5 million Shib that have already been accumulated to burn once Amazon, once Amazon's like threshold for customer returns is over with. So it doesn't have to be the Shib merch. It doesn't have to be the bro merch. Anything you guys purchase on Amazon, as long as you open Amazon through the link in the description of those videos, will go to burning Shiba Inu coin. Now you guys can't even see it. Very few people are using Amazon right now, if you use it, if your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, if you tell your friends to use it, we can accumulate so much on Amazon, not spending an additional dime over what you would already purchase, that we can also burn $2, $3, $4, $5, $10, $20 every 5 seconds. And that's what I want to see. Genji, grabbing that green name and becoming a bro. Genji, thank you very much for grabbing that green name and becoming a bro. That's what I love to see. I want to see 71 welcomes to Gen G in the chat right now. Thank you, Gen G, for grabbing that green name and becoming a bro. Does this mean we'll see Shib burn every day at this rate? Yes. Better days. What that means is at the current transactions and the current fees, if nothing changes with Shibarium, we should be burning $75,000 a day in Shiba Inu coin. That is going to be, it's going to be big, man. That's going to be big, right? But I will say this. It's not the same as, say, using Amazon. So when you use Amazon, you're not actually spending any more money than you normally would. I know you guys use Amazon every day, right? You buy your protein, you buy your pre-workouts, you buy your Christmas presents, you buy all that stuff on Amazon, it's delivered to your house. On Amazon, you're literally leveraging commission. So you're not spending any additional money. That can go on forever. And we could burn $75,000 a day forever on Amazon. It's different with Shibarium and the current transactions. Right now, you've got some project that's minting SRC20 tokens on Shibarium. And what they're doing is they're paying to have those coins minted. One of two things is going to happen. They're going to run out of tokens that they need to mint, or they're going to run out of money. And since they are spending over $100,000, $120,000, $150,000 a day to mint these tokens, if they're not bringing in $200,000, $300,000 a day, the pool of money is going to dry up. Or the amount of tokens that they are minting is going to dry up, and then they will eventually stop. Those numbers will calm down. So yes, if nothing changes, Shibarium will continue to burn $75,000 per day. I believe, though, that something has to change with that. I believe something has to change. Finally, just quit waiting for gifts and add it myself. Whoop, whoop! Gen G, I love it, and it looks so good on you. Gen G, thank you very much for that. Click the like button. 72 people and only 36. What are you guys doing? Click that stinking like button, man. Thanks, everybody. Good to be a bro. It is the best to be a bro. J-Bones, #1. I swear you've been a bro. Oh, yeah, Gen G has been a bro before. You can see by her icon there that she's not a brand new bro. But she was great right now, and now she's green. Let's see here. So why not do something with that money instead of burn it? They could be solving world hunger instead of burning to nothing. Kombu, so you are right, okay? You could absolutely go out there and spend that $76,000 on something else. But it's very strange, man. It's almost like an advertising expense. So, you know, you look at all these companies, Walmart or literally Amazon. They spend money on advertising, putting themselves out in front of you, making you believe that you need to shop there, you need to buy that. Burns are essentially an advertising expense. The community gets excited about them, people talk about them, and then it makes you more willing to participate. So burning is like advertising. Yes, you could go out there and you could take that $75,000 and you could drill a well in Kenya somewhere. But we've seen Mr. Beast do that. And it's not well received. The Shiba Inu coin could literally take that money, go change the life of somebody else, but it's not going to be as well received as burning. Why? If I build a well for some small town in Kenya, it benefits that small town in Kenya. People are selfish is what I'm trying to say. If I burn Shiba Inu coin, everybody feels like they're going to make more money. Everybody feels like their bag is going to go up. And therefore, they support burning Shib more than they would going out and building some sort of a well. Now, clearly, if you could combine the two, and you could burn Shib or, use that money in some way that would not only burn it, it would also build something, then you've hit the jackpot. I just don't know. You'd have to think about that for a while and see if it's a possibility to not only burn, but build by burning. That would revolutionize the game, man. That would revolutionize the game. And I do think that that's a possibility, but you'd have to find somebody that was either willing to work for money way, way, way down the line, or you'd have to find somebody that was willing to work for like advertisement expenses in order to do that. My like button has been broken because mine says 762 likes. Well, I wish we had 762 likes. What up, Clay? Good info. Thank you, sir. Absolutely life changer. Thanks for being in here. Yes, it was green because people were so kind to give me a membership. Those expired, I guess. They did, Gen G, but you're looking good in that green. Well received. I see what you did there. Yes. I don't even know if I tried to do it, Dark Abacus. Thank you, man. Click the like button or you have bad listen to Bolts, man. You're just going to have a bad day if you don't click the like button. Click it. 69 likes, 69 people. That's what I want to see. That's your answer, Josh. I don't even know where Josh... Oh, Bitcoin's going through the roof while Luna is dropping. Why? When Bitcoin cools off, liquidity flows out and back into the smaller coins. Yeah, so Bitcoin is having a very nice day today. Terra Luna Classic is simply pulling off of resistance. So Terra Luna Classic hit 30,000, almost 30,000 points per coin yesterday. It approached that range and got rejected. It's simply a technical resistance level that traders are selling off into. And of course, we're going to have traders buying into it in order to break through. And if it does break through, please get ready to test $50,000 or 50,000 points on Terra Luna Classic very quickly, man. Burn, baby, burn, baby, burn. Burn it, you earn it. Momo life. Let's burn it, baby. When McDonald's accept honorarium. Dark bro, man, call him up. Make it happen. Clever, so question. Do you think there is a crazy concern that if Shib gets to a point where folks are making money, there will be a mass exit? Yes. Yes, I do. Freddie. So that is a few of my videos over the last month have referenced a point. Oh, geez, dude. I forget what the exact percentage is, but the majority of Shiba Inu coin is going to become profitable between the levels of 1,000 and I believe 1,600 points per coin. The vast majority of Shiba Inu coin is going to become profitable at those levels. And therefore, it is going to be resistance. There's a lot of people who have held Shib, and they have been down for 2 years on it. The moment that they become profitable, they're going to get out. They're already saying, I've had enough. I can't take any more. When I'm green, I'm gone. So yeah, we will see a little bit of a sell-off there. It's going to provide us with resistance. However, there are other people who still believe in Shiba Inu coin, and they continue to buy. And there will be new investors in Shiba Inu coin. So those that sell off and provide the resistance will be selling to people who are getting excited about Bitcoin's movement right now. Crypto's moving higher. I need to get in, is what they're saying. And they're going to see a little bit of a dip in Shiba Inu coin. They'll be buying that dip. And then they're going to be the ones who either do phenomenally during the next bull market, or they end up holding for a while as well. Bolts, man. Bolts, thank you very much for the... How's it going? Hey, Bolts, man. How's it going? Ooh, Bolts. How's it going? Bolts, dude, thank you very much for the super chat. And it's going great, Bolts. It is going great. Is Tonic still a crypto? Tectonic is still a crypto. Where is Tectonic? It is one... Ooh, go grab some Shib merch if you don't already own it, guys. Let's see here. Tonic. And I heard a Streamlabs something come through. Suzuki! Thank you very much for the super chat. Suzuki says, if you buy honorarium today, you won't wake up with a centipede on your face tomorrow morning. Crap, dude. What if I don't buy honorarium? Am I guaranteed to wake up with a centipede on my face tomorrow morning? Because if that's the case, dude, I might have to buy some honorarium. I don't want to wake up with a centipede on my face tomorrow. I know that for a fact. Tectonic is still a crypto, man. Tectonic sitting at 19 points per coin. Tectonic looking very, very good right now. Up 2% on the day today. Up 4% on the week. Up 24% on the month. And doing very well. Up 105% on the year. Getting ready to break through this resistance level at that 20 point per coin mark. And if it does, dude, we could be testing the annual highs at about 25 points per coin. So yes, Tectonic is looking pretty strong there, and hopefully that strength continues on into the end of 2023. I can answer any of your Tectonic questions, guys. Yeah, Lonnie is the owner of Tectonic, man. He really is. Guys, for some reason, my wife alone, ordering on Amazon will burn half of all Shib. Mr. Enormous. Yeah, dude, I gotta walk back. I gotta walk to the girl that lives behind me, man. Knock on her house, knock on her door one day, and be like, listen, will you please use this link? I promise you, man, the Amazon driver goes up that driveway every single day. It is nuts, man. So dead serious. If your wife does buy a lot of stuff on Amazon, it's no additional money spent for her, and the commission goes towards burning whichever one you want. Shiba Inu coin, or there's a thing for Terra Luna Classic down there as well. Or we could throw one in there for honorarium, and since the market cap is so low, you guys could probably destroy the entire supply of honorarium in like a week, and then Dark Bro's going to have to start again, though. Dark Bro would have to start again. Guys, let's do some shout-outs, and we'll be back this afternoon. Appreciate every single one of you, man, making it awesome today, keeping the chat going, keeping it cool. If you guys want some bro merch, make sure to click on that. We do have winners, right? Watch the videos today if you want to know who the winner for today was. We're going to be doing bro hoodie, bro shirt, bro keychain giveaways not all month long. I'm going to be doing it up until Christmas to say thank you to everybody who supports the channel, buys some merch, has some fun, and represents the bro name, man. Pudgy, enjoy your afternoon. Genji, see you later. Lonnie, Genji, Lonnie, the franchise, Giovanni, Lonnie, Bolts, man. Pudgy saying peace out to the Diamond-Handed King honorarium holders. Senzu Sen, see you later, man. Dark Bro, Lonnie, Dark Bro, Freddy, see ya. Dark Bro, Suzuki, Mr. Normus, have a great afternoon, man. Dark Bro, Genji, Robert, Pudgy, Dark Bro, Genji, Suzuki, Freddy, what do we got? Freddy, Lonnie, Genji, Kenneth, Lonnie, Dark Bro, Roulette Wheel, Jose, Pio Quinto, man, enjoy it. Dark Bro, see you later. Suzuki, Dark Bro, SD, later to you. Giovanni, Lonnie, Roulette Wheel, Paul, rock on Clay, rock on to you, Paul. Suzuki, Lonnie, Next Level, Bender, Dark Bro, Lewis, Kombu, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.